When consuming meat, a complex and interconnected nutritional journey begins inside the human body. It is a journey where a piece of food transforms into energy and has a direct impact on vital organs. From the first moment, the body prepares, and different systems begin to work in precise harmony. In the stomach, the acidic challenge. In the stomach, the meat encounters a powerful acidic environment. Digestive juices begin to break down the proteins into their basic units. The food mass gradually transforms into absorbable. This is where the first stages of nutritional benefit begin, and also where the first signs of digestive strain might start in case of overconsumption. The small intestine. Absorption. Afterward, the nutrients move to the small intestine, where the most crucial part of the journey occurs. The amino acids, fats, and minerals resulting from the digestion of meat are absorbed through the intestinal villi and enter the bloodstream to nourish the body's various cells. Distribution: the blood carries these nutritional elements throughout the entire body. Vital organs, muscles, and tissues receive these nutrients to support their essential functions, contributing to energy production, cell building, and repair. Brain. The brain benefits from proteins and minerals like iron and zinc. Neural signals are activated, and the efficiency of the synapses responsible for concentration and memory improves. A balanced diet is directly reflected in mental clarity and cognitive performance. Amino acids are used in the muscles to repair and rebuild muscle fiber. This is why meat is considered an important component in supporting physical strength, muscle mass, and recovery after interaction with the microbiome. Inside the intestines, the microbiome interacts with food residues. When consumed in moderation, this interaction helps maintain a healthy and balanced intestinal environment. However, with excessive consumption, this delicate balance may be disrupted, leading to digestive disorder. When the processes of digestion and absorption occur efficiently, the body feels a boost in energy level. This includes general activity, internal warmth, and stability in daily vital function. The negative side not of all outcomes are always positive. Excessive consumption of meat may lead to irritation of the stomach wall and a feeling of heaviness or discomfort. For some people, certain types of meat may cause allergic reactions that appear as redness or skin inflammation. Meals rich in proteins and fats may affect blood sugar balance, especially in the absence of a balanced diet. And when the body is loaded beyond its digestive capacity, the opposite may happen entirely. The energy level drops, and feelings of exhaustion, lethargy, and general heaviness emerge. In the end, meat is a rich and beneficial food when consumed consciously and in moderation. Balance is the key to benefiting from its nutritional advantages and avoiding its negative effects.